Welcome to Mini Minds Learning.
Welcome to Mini Minds Learning.
Hello, little learners. Are you ready to learn some letter sounds today? Let's explore the consonants of the alphabet. Learning letters is fun. Let's begin. What is a consonant? A consonant is a letter that needs help from a vowel to make a word. When we say consonant sounds, our mouth may stop, touch, or blow air. Consonants help us read, speak, and spell words. How many consonants are there? There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. Out of them, 5 are vowels: A, E, I, O, U. And the other 21 letters are consonants. Which letters are consonant? The consonant letters are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Types of consonants. Consonants have different types. Some are single consonants, like B or C. Some are blends, like B, L, or S, T. And some work together with vowels to make words. Types of consonant sounds. Consonants make different kinds of sounds. To help kids learn easily, we group consonants into easy sound groups. There are 3 main consonant sound groups: soft or quiet sounds, strong or hard sounds, and some special sounds. Soft consonant sounds. These sounds are soft, gentle, and smooth. Let's say the letters with their real sounds. B says B, 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 ball. D says D, 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 dog. L says L, L, lion. M says M, M, moon. N says N, N, nose. R says R, rabbit. V says V, van. Y says Y, Y, yellow. Z says Z, zebra. Strong consonant sounds. These sounds are strong, sharp, and loud. Let's say them with power. C says K, 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 cat. F says F, F, fish. G says G, 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 goat. K says K, 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 kite. P says P, 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 pig. S says S, S, sun. T says T, 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 toy. Special consonant sounds. Some consonants make special or tricky sounds. H. H says hat. Q. Always with you. Q says queen. X. 2 sounds. X says x, box. Now let's learn each consonant with examples to reach our vocabulary and to understand consonant concept clearly. Let's go. B says B, B for bat, ball, bag, bus, book. C says K. C for cat, cup, car, cap, cake. D says D. D for dog, duck, door, drum, dad. F says F. F for fish, fan, fox, frog, flag. G says G. G for goat, gift, game, girl, glass. H says H. H for hat, hen, house, horse, hand. J says J. J for jug, jam, jet, jelly, jeep. K says K. K for kite, key, king, kid, kettle. L says L. L for lion, lamp, leaf, leg, lock. M says M. M for monkey, milk, moon, mat, mouse. N says N for nest, net, nose, nail, nut. P says P. P for pen, pig, pot, pan, parrot. Q says Q. Q for queen, quilt, quick, quiz, quiet. R says R. R for rabbit, rain, ring, road, robot. S says S. S for sun, snake, star, shoe, sock. T says T. T for tiger, table, toy, train, tree. V says V for van, vase, violin, vegetable, vest. W says
W.
W for
watch,
water, veil, window, wheel. X says
X.
X for X-ray, box, fork, 6, mix. Y says
Y.
Y for yak, yarn, yellow, yo-yo, yummy.
Z makes the sound Z. Z
For zebra, zoo, zip, zero, zigzag. Great job, little learners! You learned what consonants are today. Keep practicing letter sounds every day, and soon you will be a reading star. Bye-bye! See you in the next fun learning video.
Watch more fun videos on Mini Minds Learning. And don't forget to like and subscribe.